12, and welcome to the 7th video here for our 6th topic. We're certainly moving towards the end, and we've got a nice straightforward exercise here, I think. Area of a triangle, certainly you knew this before, half the base times the perpendicular height. What if you don't have the perpendicular height? What we rely on here to find the area of a triangle is essentially the same inputs that we use to find the third side of a triangle using the cosine rule. We want two sides and the included angle. Right? We don't use cosine here, we use the sine ratio. The area of any triangle, whether it's a right angle triangle or not, is half AB sine C. C is the included angle, right, between A and B. So here we go. I've got my two sides and the angle in between, and I want to find the area of that triangle. My area is half times 3 times 4.7 times the sine of 78 degrees. Rightio, thank you calculator, here we go. Clear away that one there. Right, we've got 0.5, I would rather write than half, times 3 times 4.7 times the sine of 78. Here we go, and we get 68.959. We'll call it 69.0, I guess. 69.0 square meters. Right, one decimal place. Again, two sides, the included angle. The area is half times 4.5 times 8.1 times the sine of 108, 16 minutes. Right, equals, here we go, here's my calculator, clear that away, 0.5 times 4.5 times 8.1 times the sine of 108 degrees 16 minutes equals 17.3 square meters. Right, fairly straightforward really. Just to extend on this, because it's a pretty quick video, you know, it's a pretty simple question. What's not terribly uncommon is, particularly when we do radial surveys in the next unit, I think, is that you are given a triangle. You're given two sides of a triangle, or maybe three sides of a triangle. You might use the cosine rule to find the angle, and then use the angle to find the area, perhaps. Right? That's a way to make this a little bit more complicated, or a multiple sort of mark question. But other than that, half AB sine C, it's on your formula sheet, but it's easy enough to remember. That's the area of a non-right angle triangle using two sides and the included angle. Any questions? Jot them down. Let me know when we get to class. I'll see you there.